Hello my children, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how to use Sketch, how to create animation. First, add background. This, click now. Click in this button. Add start on green flag to start animation. After, add the movement. Add move right and hop and move left. Now add repeat this sequence to to 10 step. Now start this game. Now I change this, stop this to 3 step, stop this 3 step, and between move left, move right. Now I add sound. Green flag, add sound. Now play this game. Welcome to my channel.